What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we got it wired up now. So this is gonna be for the fogs. Up to testing time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And what's good, Roxanne's fam? So yeah, today is gonna be a lot of different video, as we'll be finally featuring the i20 on the channel. As you'll seen the i20 quite a few on the page. So yeah, Vutomi came out, he wants to jam the indicators, you know. So we're trying new things. So he wants to jam the indicators, and then what we're gonna do is his fog lights. So it's aftermarket fog lights, and we're gonna make the fog lights as his indicators. Because once he jams it, because we're gonna jam it straight from the box, and once he jams it, we're gonna have to have some form of indication. So yeah, so hope you guys will enjoy this video. It's a whole different thing. So this is more one-on-one on what happens when we, you know, are trying to experiment something. So we will showing you all the whole process of what we've done, and then yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and stay tuned for a lekker stuff. Yeah guys, so we got actually the front bumper removed, so we can just gain more access to the fogs and the wiring. And then we remove the headlights because we'll be tapping into the wiring as well. And then yeah, so I can't show how the fogs actually look like because we have the bumper out. And then we're just gonna show you the process. But as you all saw, that front dent, yeah, it's a long story, that one right there. But yeah, so let's get to it, guys, and then hope you guys will maybe learn something from this. This is also do not try, but try, but do not try, but try, because you don't know what can happen if you do it wrong. But yeah, we're gonna try, you know, and you know, be precaution as much as possible. But yeah, so far we're getting right. We already got the one headlight wired up already for the hazard, okay, the indicator jam, as you can see there. So we actually tapped into the park light, which the wiring is here taped up. So this was the park light, and so since they're running on two same grounds, we just tapped on the power, so which was this. So we got that the hazard is actually jamming, and then now we're gonna be tapping into the fogs for indicators. So we're gonna use this ground as well as here is the indicators power. So yeah, it's gonna be a whole one, but hopefully it can work out. Stay tuned on that. To wire up the one headlight, so we'll show you how it's gonna come out. So yeah, just look now. Hold sharp. So that's the box, that's on. Okay, just turn off for now. Then let's wire up here the fogs. Which one was ground last time? Positive and negative. This has to be power. Which power is the green? Let's hold it. Power is the green. And then yo, what's in it, Rank? She. Okay, shouldn't be on. Yeah, okay, indicate. Yeah.
But for us, we are prepared, we are determined, and this time around we are very serious.
Come check. Yes, partner.
Arch. Okay.
Okay, wait. Are the indicators working on the side? Shit. Okay. So we got that sorted. Now. So we're gonna just copy and paste to the other headlight. Put a bumper back, wire it up properly, and then give you all the end result. But we actually should check it at night as well. At night is the main thing. But yeah, so we're gonna remove this headlight and then copy and paste to the second headlight. Wire, connect everything back up, and yeah, just tidy it up and then show you the end result. So yeah, stay tuned for the latest stuff. You must know how. And then yeah, just pull it out for now. Sharp. So yeah, here we're gonna copy and paste, as you can see there. So how we actually wired up here, we use this guide pipe to have the wiring get out of the headlight, because we can't now make holes in headlights, otherwise it's gonna cause water leakage. So yeah, that's how we got it sorted. So we're just gonna copy and paste everything here to the left hand side and then do an end result. Stay tuned on that, guys. So I'm gonna put you all on a time lapse once again, and then yeah.
You need this one for reference, eh?
Yeah, I need that one for reference. So we're just gonna put you all on a time lapse, and then yeah, stay tuned on that. So yeah, we got it wired up now. So this is gonna be for the fogs. So the the indicators should be fine now. We're just gonna test. This is the left hand side. So yeah, let's go test it. Yeah, this is how they steal your lights, guys. You can call me to steal people's lights. Yeah, fast. So you just put it there. Just let it lay there and you just plug it in. Plug it in first. In. Okay, now just strip those wires. Strip these ones. Stay positive. Okay, sharp again, go test. Now it's testing time. Put on the box. Are you sure? This one is not going on. Indicate. Yeah, man. I span into it, right? Wait.
It got in, brah, I swear.
So whose problem is it? This idiot didn't plug it in properly.
This thing was in, brah.
Now I already thought we blew a fuse.
Yeah, there we go.
Ah, man. Hey, you now gave me stress now. Yo, we popped the fuse.
Me and you both.
Oh, we must check if the rear. Sometimes, you know, these cars. Ah, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. Yes.
Yeah.
So everything is working now. So we'll just be putting it back together and showing all the end result. Stay tuned on that, guys. Oh, maybe. Nah, it's gonna be a whole process now. But yeah, stay tuned on that. So yeah guys, we got the front and back together. It's the fastest we've ever put the front and back together of a car, because this car would normally give us an issue stripping things and putting it back, but as you can see there, clean. So yeah, I think we should give it a test. Let's see. Ah yeah, we're going to bomb. Parks. Hey! They're on. Indicate.
It's indicating, is it?
Or is it you can't see it? Or what?
Nix.
Ah! Are you serious?
Let me see the other side. Check the other side.
The side is indicating. Indicate right? Okay, we have to check here. Muscon. Yeah, man.
I spoke too soon.
Yeah, we spoke too soon. So the left side is working, not the right side indicating is not indicating. So let's see what could be the issue. So yeah.